We are pleased to show you the 2021 Cadillac CT4. The Cadillac CT4 not only has the exterior style, but the performance to match. The CT4 has plenty of luxury and technology features, which is highlighted by its updated infotainment center. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, power heated outside mirrors, remote engine start, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.